Okay, we just got done with step 3, touching on the acrylic plates. We have a square frame. It's pretty sturdy. It's not tightened down yet. Now, next step, number 4, you're going to need two of the 624ZZ ball bearings, which is number 38. These two right here. Getting a little closer. One bracket, which is the Y belt holder number 66. This is metal. Most other parts come 3D printed. This part, I like that it's all metal. One M3 by 20 screw, number 27. One wing nut, which for an M3 wing nut, number 15. An M4 by 25 screw, number 35. And one M4 lock nut, number 14. Now this we'll insert here when it's done. To begin, you want to take the M3 by 20 screw and thread that in. Give you a nice little Allen key for this. I mean, the only real thing that you're going to need is probably a crescent wrench, adjustable wrench, as other people call it. Tighten that down. Which is the first part of step 4. The next step would be to insert bearings as such. Take the M4 screw, feeding it like so. Tighten down the lock nut. It's not the right size. Let's go to the free tool. Since I don't want to check every single bit, and I got it on the first shot. Take a small pair of pliers. Should be using a little wrench of some sort, but it's not handy at the moment, and this is what I have handy. And you're going to tighten it down to it's just about snug. You don't want to over tighten it. You do want some free spin to this, so maybe a little looser would be just fine. You basically just want to see some light in between the bearings and this metal plate right here. Not sure if you can see that light. So I passed through that. So I'm going to take this wing nut, this assembly, sorry, and this wing nut, insert this through the hole. And tighten it on, secure it with the wing nut. Make sure you don't cross thread it. It's not cooperating. Really hard to hold the wing nut. It's this small.